Welcome to ANL Lighting, a family-owned lighting company servicing the needs of wholesale trade architects and designers for over 30 years. From your initial contact in reception, you'll be directed to just one of 45 experienced and knowledgeable sales reps who are tasked with the responsibility of looking after your business with all your specific lighting needs, from specifying, quoting and processing the sales order to the after-sales follow-up to make sure your order has arrived. Having one dedicated sales rep means that any queries are answered fast and any JREs are processed quickly so that you can provide your clients the efficient customer service they deserve. From the sales team, your order is processed in our experienced administration and accounts department and dispatched to our warehouse. Housing over $2 million worth of stock on-site ensures the lead times are low, and the employment of an on-site compliance manager means that our branded Vibe products remain the premium quality that you know and trust. For larger scale projects, you'll be looked after by our project department, Vibe by Design, who meet the needs of architects, consultants, designers, lighting engineers and electrical engineers. We aim to provide beautiful, aesthetically appealing and on-trend luminaires, profiles, indoor and outdoor lighting solutions. In addition, we have an in-house marketing team to facilitate specification material to assist you in relaying information to your clients and to keep our company website ANL Lighting, Vibe by Design and Vibe up to date with correct information. Finally, our large assembly department looks after any modification requests from powder coating, assembling, cutting, joining and the switching of light sources. We have the ability to carry out any light design brief and make it super easy for you. When you are looking for a lighting supplier, make sure you contact ANL Lighting, your partner in light for life.